This ain't no joke. Like, this will transformate your hair because you're working it in from the outside to the inside, to the stress level, to the genetic level, to the hormone level, to whatever level you want to take it there. They're going to pinpoint every little tiny dot. Why not? Why not have that beautiful hair that you've always wanted and admired? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's all about hair tips, hair care, and how to improve your hair. MD Hair. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but now you do. It's going viral on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and I finally got my hands on it, and I'm going to break it down with the key tips and why this is going to benefit you. First of all, this company is well known. They used to do skin. Now they are focusing on hair follicles, hair scalp, hair issues, like if you're having stress, your diet, dry scalp, hormone balance, genetics, or alopecia, or, having serious hair issues. This is what they're known for, to help that. And in this video, I'm going to explain why. Now, the key point that you guys, if you have straight hair, thin hair, gray hair, if you're old, young, kinky hair, all different types of hair, all different age groups, this is for you. They're not pinpointing if you are a male or a female either. Like, this is all for you. If you have hair on your head and you want healthier, longer, stronger, softer, frizz-free, controllable hair, then you need to try MD Hair. This is actually my custom hair regrowth kit, you guys. One thing, I love the packaging. And voila, a little quote right here, and the logo's right here. Great material. You're going to receive a little card right here, and then these are all the items that they chose for me doing the quiz. Yes, I'll put the link down below. You have to do a very short, simple quiz. It's very easy to read. It's very explanatory. They just want to know a little bit more about you specifically. So it's not that they're just trying to throw product at you like, oh, try this, it's going to hair. No, you might not need certain vitamins or something like that. You're dealing with stress. So they're going to increase something that's going to help your stress level. So they are taking their time out individually, looking at you, taking pictures of your scalp, taking pictures of your actual hair, and you're going to see results. Yes, I'm wearing braids, but I can't lie, this is only 2 weeks old, and it looks like a hot frizzy mess because I know my hair is growing underneath here. I will definitely show you guys a better detailed video of how much my hair grew and how fast it grew once I take these braids out. But girl, it's hot. And I have very thick, luscious, full, long hair. And sometimes protected hairstyles really help against the hot heat in the sun. All right, this is MD Custom Hair Wellness Support Restore. Vitamins of 30. And it breaks it down on the back of what exactly is in there. And this is specifically made for me. And I love it. Not only that, this hair serum that they recommend for my dry curly hair. And because of my age, I'm 42, I'm going to need some more collagen because it's going to help the elasticity of not only my skin, but also my hair too. Great benefits of this. And when it's custom for you, this company is going all out, you guys, doing vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free as well. Where are you going to find that for this price? Really nowhere. This is a deal, you guys. This is really a deal. They're really taking their time to break it down, and this ain't no joke. This will transformate your hair because you're working it in from the outside to the inside, to the stress level, to the genetic level, to the hormone level, to whatever level you want to take it there. They're going to pinpoint every little tiny dot. Why not? Why not have that beautiful hair that you always wanted and admired? Instead of like spending all that money for synthetic, fake hair and ponytails and wigs, won't you just spend like $20 or $30 a month and get a special customized kit just for what you need to get exactly what you want and the results you want from your hair? Oh my gosh, like, duh. Sorry you guys, I was getting carried away. I mean, I just can't believe I came across this company, and I know that Kim Kardashian's doing this. The Kardashians, like, yes, get on the wagon because this is the next hottest thing. No more going to little Target and CVS and just thinking, oh, I'm a curly girl, I'm just gonna buy a curly product. Oh, I have wavy hair, let me just buy this because it has a wavy girl on there. No, it has harsh chemicals in there. You really need something specifically for your type of hair, for what you're going through, and for what's going to benefit your scalp and your hair follicles. They put special things in it that's going to increase your hair follicles by like 3 times the size. It helps increase the size of the hair follicles, which promotes hair growth and in your hair to be thicker and longer. Yes, these shampoo bottles are tiny, but it doesn't matter about the size. It matters about, is it worth it? Like, you might only need a couple drops and it's gonna do the trick. Compared to like a whole big old jug, it's actually gonna make you lose hair. Like, think about it. Anyway, I like it because it's traveling size. I believe they do have one that's a bigger one. They break it in the back of all the chemicals and ingredients in it, and they promise it's 100% vegan. So take my word for it. If you see something in there that's not vegan, you can get your money back guarantee. Why not? I love companies that reinsure their work and their stuff. This is really great display because I've been getting a lot of hair products and it's been spilling out in the package halfway empty by the time I get it. So I love that they took the time out to put the plastic around it. And yes, I'm going to open it to do a smell check test because they said it's fragrance free, and I want to smell the organic vibe. Like, give me the green leaves, you know, give me the fresh Mother Nature. All right, the shampoo, you guys. Sulfate free, paraben free. I can never say that word right. Sorry for that. And color safe. I gotta figure out what that means. Ooh, I like the texture of it. It's like a little rubbery so it doesn't slip and slide out of your hand. Okay, it definitely has like a mint tea tree vibes to it, you guys. Yes, definitely like spa. It's white. It's a very liquidy and has it's definitely unisex. Like, if a man smelled like this, it would be delightful. I smell a lot of tea tree, a lot of, I don't know, just things that help you like open up your lungs. I forgot what it's called, but it like opens up your lungs when you're dealing with the cold. Anyway, I'm gonna just put a little bit of it on this part of the hair because it's gonna be hard to demonstrate it, but I'll try my best, you guys. All right, now that I placed just a little bit of the ND Hair shampoo on my braid that has 100% human hair coming out of the braid, and it's a little bit of synthetic mixed in my hair too, because my hair is about to like here. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. See if it lathers up a little bit. I'm just curious. I like the smell. It doesn't feel like it's going to dry out my hair. But I'm going to place just a little bit more. Not too much on the scalp because a girl wants her flyaways to stay down. You know how you've got to keep a bandana on all night. Okay, it can lather up. Okay, it's going to lather up, y'all. I'm not worried about that. So I think this is gonna do the trick. Really like that it actually has a lot of slip for actual shampoo. It's kind of interesting. There we go. Let you guys see the green. Okay. Eucalyptus. That's what it is, you guys. Eucalyptus. I know I should have looked at the label, but I just want to like smell without reading everything, you know. But yeah, it has a smell like a eucalyptus mixed with tea tree, maybe a peppermint. It just like really opens up your like lungs and helps you to breathe. All right, there we go. Let's try it on with the t-shirt. And I'll have to wait till it dries. Let's put some conditioner on there. MD Customize Hair Care Conditioner. Creamy. Braids. It has a little bit of thick consistency, and I like it because you can't really see it once I applied it on the braids. So it's a good thing. And yes, you should still treat your braids like your hair, because your hair is inside the braids, like for real, you guys. So I'm not silly doing this because I heard somebody is like, I better wash my hair when it's in braids. Girl, you better wash your hair. That doesn't make no sense. Anyway, I just want to show you guys difference. The smell of this is actually more of a light sensitive smell. So if you have allergies or you're highly sensitive, it says it won't irritate your scalp. It's not powerful or overbearing of a smell. It's very low, but it does have a scent. So one great thing that's in this that you don't really see it in hair products, they're saying it's green tea. I love that for the antioxidants and apple stem cells. Interesting. Interesting. With rosemary, we always love rosemary leaves. That is really great. Rosemary leaf oil, to be correct, and argan oil. I love that. So yeah, read a story. It's all right, in the little pamphlet right here, you guys, MD Hair, your journey to healthier and more beautiful hair, starting today. Start today. Like, they're not playing with you. Love that. It opens up actually too. Ready to set your growth, what to expect. It's just, you know, like motivation, kind of like just letting you know, reassuring you that this is going to help. This is going to improve your scalp, your hair follicles, your hair strings, your hair texture, just your hair overall. If it's feeling dry, you know, it's just going to enhance hair growth. Hair Serum. There it is right here. It's covered really well. I love that they took the time to put the plastic and a special cover over that. But we're opening her up to give a little test to the smell and apply it on the scalp. Anytime you run into hair oils, make for sure you really stimulate that scalp. Or I always say the converted method. That means like if you don't have any severe like health issues. Well, I mean, I'm not a professional. So if you're not, like, you don't know severe health issues, you can lay, like, your head over the edge of your bed just to bring the blood flow just to encourage the blood to go to that area, you know what I mean? And that's gonna really help improve on top of putting this directly on your scalp. I don't wanna rip it, there it goes. Oh, what a cute bottle. That is so cute. Put it to the test. It's glass. When they take the time to really put it in a glass jar, it preserves it, and it needs to be in a dark place too, they always say. So let's twist this out. Give it a test. Oh, it's clear. Look at that, guys. And it drips really well. So the mechanics of whoever designed this designed it lovely. It's no flaws I see. Let's just see if it spills out, because I hate when I buy all this great product and it's just not packaged correctly. But this is packaged good. This says 1 month supplies. Like, you're gonna use all this in 1 month? That's a lot. That's a lot. So that means they want to make for sure you're placing this on your scalp, on your hair, you know, all those areas where they demand to put it at, maybe twice or once a day, you know, like for real. Because my other hair oils that I have, like, they last for 3 months. So I love, this is 1 month supply. Just this alone is definitely worth $30, you guys. Straight up $30 just for this, especially it being in a nice glass jar. Motivate that hair. I'm thinking positive. I'm placing it in the areas where I want it to be more stimulated and more longer, more thicker, and we gotta get those edges, so I'll have to do it like this. You see my edges getting thicker, you guys? I'm like, holla. That postpartum is going away. And anytime you do get your hair braided, leave a little bit of the edges out. You don't want to pull that retention. You know, after doing all of this, you're improving your hair, then your ass goes run and get your hair done, and then you just put in some tight ass braids or a tight weave, and you don't leave your edges out. And then you're bald all over again. You're starting all over again. So please pay attention to all the steps and procedures, not only the products you're putting on your hair or on your scalp or in your body to motivate inside. You have to get the knowledge as well. So if you want more knowledge, you're going to have to subscribe to my hair channel. Like, for real, you guys, because I'm going to break it down to the satin pillowcases you need, satin scrunchies you need, you know, what's going to motivate your hair to grow. But this is going to work. It doesn't really say you're supposed to massage it, but anything you place it on your scalp, you want to get that blood to flow and to motivate that blood to work so it can focus on those areas you want it to grow. Yes. Now I'm part of the MD family. I am so excited. I can't wait to take my braids out and show before and after. And I'm now motivated and just ready to start this hair journey with MD, using their shampoo, conditioner, their oil, their vitamins, I mean, their collagen. MD, thanks so much. And I am so excited. And this is going to be a great journey. I've seen so many great positive reviews. And now I'm a part of your team. This is like, I'm just not breathless, but I'm speechless. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoy doing videos like this because this is something you needed to hear, and this is something that's going to help you. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it already, because you need to subscribe to it. I have more things to show you. And give this video a thumbs up, or just leave down below just a heart, you know, just give a girl a little bit of love, and I'll appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, wonderful, extravagant month, year, summer, all the above. And I'll see you guys on my next video.